Before we start this video, I just want to let you know that this video contains some powerful information that you can use to rewire your subconscious mind and become the creator of your reality. So do with this information what you will. Let's get into it. Let me take you all the way back to around 2018. This will be considered a low moment for me. I was dealing with family issues, relationship issues, and financial struggles. It really felt like nothing at that time was really going my way. But little did I realize at that time I was immersed in negativity from the people around me, from the music and the media I was absorbing and consuming every day. I was borderline depressed. Now that I think about it, my negativity at an all-time high. I used to sit and smoke weed, of course, and I used to give my negative thoughts so much energy and so much time and focus. I would visualize negative events. I would relive old past negative situations, and I would relive those moments, and I would hold on to those grudges from those moments. I used to do this all the time. Thus, I started attracting more and more of those type of situations. I was literally using the laws of the universe against me, against my own well-being. But the beautiful thing about this low moment that I had is that it pushed me into deep introspection and reflection. And by the grace of God, I stumbled upon teachings from the likes of Reverend Ike, Napoleon Hill. The reason why Napoleon Hill and Reverend Ike are so important to me because they were the first people to introduce me to the power of the subconscious mind and the power and the ability that we have to rewire your subconscious mind to become a creator of your reality. In one of Napoleon Hill's lectures, he spoke about reprogramming the subconscious mind through constant exposure to positive thoughts, affirmations, and focusing on positive experiences. So that's exactly what I did. For 8 hours a day at my job, I immersed myself in the Think and Grow Rich, listening to the audiobook on repeat. I started repeating and saying my affirmations every single day, but I wasn't really sure if it was working or not. I was more so looking for instant results. But looking back at it, I realized that I did rewire my subconscious mind in a great way within those 2 months. However, change does come with a little bit of challenge. Like sometimes you may have to set boundaries on friends and family because you are becoming a new person and those boundaries aren't the same. Sometimes you may have a falling out with friends. Your two vibrations are actually different now and it can't coexist. Sometimes you may have to lose material things. Sometimes you may have to lose money or lose certain streams of income to gain more and more. And these are the things I had to experience at this time period. But slowly but surely, I stayed at it and things started to improve. One day I was educating myself and I was watching a video about the subconscious mind. And they were explaining how our conscious mind is always alerted when our names are being said or called, and how it's a cue for us to take action once we hear our name. Take action and to take direction. So I thought about it and inspiration struck. I asked myself, why don't I just record personalized affirmations with my name included? And I can really hack my subconscious mind instantly by doing this. Now let me tell you, this was a life changer. From then on, different blessings started to come in instantly and unexpectedly. I remember getting settlements and class action lawsuits coming in my mail. Opportunities started to flow in. I started to get job opportunities and offerings. In 2020, life took an incredible turn. I landed a fully remote job. I started traveling. I got into a relationship and my finances and my credit turned around. And I got everything that I was affirming. But in 2021, my consistency of doing my affirmations, my consistency of listening to my affirmations, my consistency of meditation and spending time in nature really started to fall off. As I began to do different things, I started to travel more. I started to experience new environments, and my routine would break more often than not. I almost feel like I plateaued a bit. But with that being said, at where I'm at now in life, no complaints. When I look back at my mind state in 2018 versus now, it's like night and day. My life has improved in every aspect since. It almost feels unreal, but it all started with me changing my mind and allowing myself to upgrade my subconscious mind to break through to that next level. And that's what I'm about to do now. So here's my plan. I've got my 369 Manifestation Journal, and this book is really, really powerful because you write down your affirmations and you have all these positive mantras that you can do every single day. And it's also a gratitude journal. So you write your affirmations 3 times in the morning, 6 in the afternoon, 9 at night. You guys know about the 369 method. If you don't, just go ahead and look it up on TikTok or YouTube, whatever the case may be. And so I'm gonna be using this powerful book, this powerful gratitude book every single day. I'm gonna put the link in the bio to this one because this one is good. I'm going to be making my affirmations and listening to my affirmations every single day. My personalized affirmations are going to be back on that. And I'm going to be making my debut back in the gym, back fasting, meditations. And I'm really locking in on my desires. I'm really locking in on my goals. And I'm doing this all while taking positive actions and positive steps every single day. And to be honest, when I really think about it, I'm super excited. The only thing I have to really do is focus on not putting limitations on myself. But I'm really, really excited about where this next upgrade is going to take me. And I really know there's no limitations of where it can take me. So step 1, to reprogram and to rewire your subconscious mind easily. Figure out what do you want. And once you figure out what do you want, write that into an affirmation into the present tense. So if you want more abundance, just write something down like I'm currently more abundant. I'm currently living in a state of abundance. Step 2, write it down in an affirmation in the present tense. Step 3, repeat that affirmation as much as you can throughout the day. You can be in your head, you can talk in your head, you can yell it out. Repeat this affirmation as much as you possibly can. The next step, you're going to want to record yourself saying that affirmation with your name. So whatever your name is, if it was Jenny, if it was Timothy, you would say Timothy is now living a abundant, luxurious life. And you record that in your voice notes, and you can listen to it in your headphones or listen to it in a speaker. And you want to listen to this every night when you go to sleep. Every night. And the next step is simply take positive action. And you start to do this enough, you're going to start to rewire your subconscious mind easily. And I think you can get it done within 3 weeks. You can rewire your subconscious mind. I believe you can do it in 3 weeks if done properly. But with that being said, it's your man Energy, and I'm out. I'm going to see you at the next one. Peace.